Well, ang trabaho po ng House Committee on Justice ay magkaroon po ng determination of sufficiency in form and the sufficiency in substance. No? So, unahin po namin yung form, kung tama po ba yung pagkaka-file ng mga impeachment complaints po na ito. Yun yung una. Tapos pangalawa, syempre, pag-usapan na po yung sufficiency in substance. No? So, ibig sabihin nun, yung pong mga detalye nung pong mga allegations na po sa mga iba't ibang mga impeachment complaints.
Okay. So, once na-determine na po yun, what's next?
Siyempre, kung na-determine ho una, we have to vote on sufficiency in form. So, approve or disapprove ho yun. Majority ang required po for that, majority of the committee members. Second, determination po of substance, sufficiency in substance. So, majority vote din po of the Justice Committee po yun. So, as soon as you get a majority vote, it goes to plenary, it gets approved. Siyempre, if it gets approved at plenary, pupunta po yun sa Senate na po for trial. Pero siyempre, if it doesn't get a majority vote at the level of the committee, and then it dies there.